Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our lab. Same on course? Same course, ma'am?
Suksay.
Soksay, yes. So, ikaw ba gigapili ng course, ma'am? Sa may reason nga soksay mong gikuha?
Yes, syempre ako jud kay we have the right to choose, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung magri ka dili.
Dili.
Napugos ni. Bitaw ako wala jud ko napugos, but pero murag na lang.
Kaya naman.
Bitaw kay way back when I was grade 8, araling pandipunan. Yes, nahagbong ko na. Ay, dili siya hagbong. Like, nag-ulra ko. Kay, bilin ako deserve ang 79.
Wow, 79?
Yes, nga, minor subject na nahanya. Di 79 ko, my God. Dito na ako kalimtan.
So, mo na yung reason.
Ha?
Mo to yung reason.
Yes, mo siya yung reason nga. Akong i-delve nga nung di 79 ko niya nga. Siya mo ta na nga subject. That's why gasoksay ko because siya ang subject. Pero nga nung di 79 ko nga, dili mo ta ko matulog sa iyang klase. Dili po ko malate. And mutubagsad ko basta na siya pangutan. Nakikabalo ka na ako adventurous niya. When you talk about geography, ganahan sa kay ko anak kay sige kong pulaan, makabulutan sa mga physical features of the world like that. So muna siyang wala ko napugos nga gasoksay ko.
Yes, so mauna to, ma'am.
Wala pa, pangutan na pa.
Mauna pa.
Tamo ka, uy.
So, next question. How do you find Norso?
Where I find Norso here in Vice.
So, salamat sa time, ma'am. Thank you for answering the question.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, can you state your name and course?
So, good afternoon as well, and my name is Roy Patrick Abising, and I choose the course from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from the College of Arts and Sciences.
Okay, so I have some questions, sir. So, can you share any memorable experience or moments you've had as a Nursunian?
So, the experience that I've ever had in Norso, so as what I've experienced, I have a lot of challenges, and the greatest moments is when you perform at when you perform at the front of the stage, and you have this kind of feeling that when people around that used to know you and they've known you had your full support, and as long as they have in there to your na sila sa imuhang atubangan, like they have that kind of feeling na empowering and encouraging that maka-motivate sa imuha. And just like I've had last year, which is the pinning ceremony in our department only, we have that sa tawagan na kanang amo ang gi-perform nga choir, which is we had that department of choir na sa among department. And that moment I thought na we have been spoiled, which is like dili na mo siya ma-perform magtarong, but it ended up well, like it goes well only na-perform na lang siya.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir, for your participation.
Okay, ma'am.
Please state your name and course, please.
So, I am Aldrin Estrabella, BSBA student of Norso Vice.
Okay, thank you. So, Sir Aldrin, can you state, can you share some memorable experiences you've had as a Nursonian?
The most memorable as a student of Norso Vice is that I was being part of a Sibaso officer. I was a Sibaso officer. Then all the activities that we ang tawag dito na i-cater naman is very interesting and very wonderful. That is the best thing, is because last year I was appointed as officer, then now I was elected. That is just the big opportunity that I get from Norso.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lance.
Kapag ma'am.
Yes,
So,
of course. Pagdating ka sa kuya. Tingnan mo ko!
Copy.